Good morning from Taipei, Taiwan! And today, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast sa isang sikat na breakfast place dito sa Taipei! Kanina haba ng pila niyan, pero ngayon halos maubos na siya kasi mabilis din naman silang kumilos.
Ding Yuan, ang sarap niya, super. Thank you for the recommendation sa ating subscriber na si Hana.
Yeah, shout out Hana!
Okay, so today wala talaga kaming itinerary, but mahaba-haba yung araw namin. Flight na namin tomorrow ng madaling araw around 2 AM. So, we'll go to Taipei 101 muna. Natin kung anong pwede namin gawin doon. And bahala na kung anong mangyayari ngayong araw na to. So, tara! Sabay-sabay tayong gumala!
Let's go! Tara na!
Kami right now here in Ding Yuan. It's a breakfast place. One of the top 10 best breakfast places here. When we got here, mahaba yung pila. Siguro nasa mga pang 20 kami. Pero sa kalye lang nakapila. Pero mabilis naman gumalaw. Maliit lang yung place. Konti yung upuan. Pero parang mabilis naman kumain yung mga tao.
Excited to eat.
Yes, we're excited to have breakfast. So here's our food. We got chow long bao, savory soy, fried dumplings, egg sandwich, cold soy milk. And we're gonna have breakfast now. This is Ding Yuan. Everything is for 265 only. Try the soy. Ang sarap. Sana lang nag-order pa ako ng extra fried bread. Last time kasi we did, ang dami ko na order. Hindi namin alam kung paano. And kung may kasama na siya. So, hindi na kami nag-order ng extra. Pero ngayon, sana we did. Yeah. So good. So from Tomorrow Hotel kanina, nag-Uber lang kami going here. It was for 140 NTT. Pwede na kasi siya kaya lakarin, malayo siya from Simending. So you can take a cab or take an Uber. Like
Pero malapit siya sa Chiang Kai-shek.
Malapit siya sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
Pero malayo pa din kung lalakarin nyo kasi mainit.
So right now, we're waiting for our Uber. Mag-Uber kami ulit going to train station. Tapos from there, punta kami ng Taipei 101. Kasi kung diretso namin na Taipei 101, masyadong mahal. Train kami going to Taipei 101. Wala pa kami, may 2 stations pa. Pero pinababa lahat dun sa train. Hindi namin alam ba. Pag ganun, huwag kayong mag-panic. Labas lang kayo. Tapos pila kayo ulit. So, nakapila kami ulit para makasakay going to Taipei 101. May bata sa harap. Nagalaw niya yung kamay ko. Hello. That's the trending escalator that you can't use anymore.
I think there will be fine.
Mapafainan ka pag ginawa mo pa yan. But here's the tower. And we're gonna go inside. Din Tai Fung on the right. Starbucks Reserve on the left. Get some Mr. Donut here. Yogurt strawberry. Hot. Honey orange Earl Grey. Iced. Getting coffee and donut here. Thank you. Alright. So for the 3 donuts and 1 cafe latte and 1 tea, that's 218 NTD. 218. So I'm just waiting for my 5 minutes now. We're right now at Taipei 101 and we want to go to GU. Para sa inyo na this is a public service announcement kasi kami, lumabas pa kami at naglakad ng malayo. Meron pala siyang madaling way from here. So, inside the mall, look for East Zhongzi exit. Tapos, akyat kayo from second floor. So, kung nandun kayo sa food court, pwedeng doon kayo dumaan. Tapos, akyat kayo sa second floor and you will find this exit. Malapit lang siya sa escalator. Tara, let's show them. So, ayan. It's View Show Cinema Skyway 3. And GU is here at For Fun na mall. Ayan. So, dun tayo pupunta. Dadaan ng bridge. Okay. So, yan. It's there. At For Fun Mall. There's another mall here, Breezy, na maganda rin puntahan. So, hindi nyo kailangan umikot. Hindi nyo kami kailangan gayahin. Nagpakapagod kami. Kasi hindi namin alam. That's why we're teaching you and telling you now. Para hindi nyo na rin siya gawin. So, there's a Breezy Mall here. And Taipei 101 is here. Now you know. Let's go to GU. Sa GU na naman kami. And I don't know if it's fortunately or unfortunately, katabi niya yung ABC Mart. And they're on sale today. Tingnan natin anong meron dyan. Oh. Pa-sale yung Gazelle. 2,090 NTD. What else is on sale? Si Tony kahapon pa nado-draw sa New Balance. Mukhang mag-uwi kami ng sapatos, ladies and gentlemen. Abangan. Hindi ganun kadami yung mga sale dito sa GU sa Taiwan. Actually, medyo expensive din yung ano nila, prices nila compared to GU in Japan. So, pero may mga mabibili pa rin kami. Kami pa ba? May mga nahanap pa din naman kaming good deals. The share lang namin, unlike sa Japan, here in Taiwan, if you want to get tax-free or tax refund, kailangan nyo hanapin yung counter. So, may counters siya sa store mismo. Hingin nyo yung paper for tax refund. Yung tax refund sa airport siya ginagawa. May counter siya. So, ayan. May piniprint sila so that you can use sa airport. So, hindi siya direct sa mga stores.
And then you'll get a 5% discount.
Tandaan nyo ha, kunin nyo yung papel.
Kasi nangyari sa amin sa Gloria Outlet, hindi mo nakuha yung paper. So, pagdating sa airport, in-honor yung receipt.
Yeah, so hindi pwedeng receipt
so,
lang.
With paper and stamp.
Yeah.
Sa store.
So, now you know, don't forget. So, from All for Fun, tatawid kami sa Breeze. Dito lang siya. And it's so nice here, oh. Feeling, BGC vibe. Parang high street, ganon. Let's go to Breeze Mall. So, bumalik kami sa All for Fun because we want to eat at Kura Sushi. So, the plan today was actually to go to Addiction Aquatic Development, but since medyo malayo siya, Kura Sushi will do for now. Pero medyo mahaba yung pila. But let's see. Ayan, this is Kura Sushi. We loved Kura Sushi in Osaka. I think twice or 3 times yata kami kumain doon. We're here na at Kura Sushi. And we have 1 hour. So, meron din sila ditong matcha. You get the cup from there sa taas. And here's what we have so far. Oh, 1 more. Yes. I think that's the last I ordered. Sarap. Kakain muna kami. You can order from here and you can also get from the items here. Medyo mahirap lang buksan yan. Based from experience sa Osaka. So they also have matcha. You get the cup dun sa taas. And then, put some on your cup mo. Hindi ko lang alam gano'n kadami.
Baka pait na yan.
And then, add water.
At dumating na yung dessert namin. Ay!
Ayan yung dessert. Looks yummy. And then, konting hot water muna. Halo-halo. 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 Get more hot water. And you have your green tea.
You taste it.
Tikman natin.
Init.
So for dessert, we got this cream puff ice cream. Super sarap niya din. Ang perfect ng ending. Yung cream puff is crunchy. Crunchy yung cream puff. Tapos yung ice cream, Hokkaido milk. Really good.
So that was a very great meal. Sarap.
Super sarap as usual ni Kura Sushi. And the dessert, perfect ending siya. So yung meal namin here at Kura Sushi was for
790 NTD.
Yep, sulit siya. Sarap. Try nyo mag-Kura Sushi when you're in Taiwan or when you're in Japan.
So highly recommended. 2 thumbs up. Shop recommends.
So from All for Fun Mall, we're gonna walk to Taipei City Hall. May papakita kami sa inyo na spot. Na-discover namin na spot. Wait lang kayo later. So, naka-Google Live lang kami. Ayan. Para yan lang susundan namin to get to Taipei City Hall. 9-minute walk daw. So, from that mall, you walk to Taipei City Hall. You would see here another rainbow starting line with the view of Taipei 101. Ayan. Ganda, diba? So, ayan, again, Taipei City Hall, Taipei 101, and another rainbow starting line. And syempre, ang mga Pinoy, game na game.
Kahit ang init.
Kahit ang init, aura lang, come on. From City Hall, naglakad lang kami konti to City Hall MRT station so that we can go back to the hotel, rest a bit, and then pupunta na kaming airport because we're going home tonight. Sabi sa inyo, bilis na kumain lang talaga kami dito eh. Right, Chabibi?
Yes.
Pagod na ang lapat na namin. Our hotel comes with free... Actually, yung voucher is for coffee and cake. Pero, pwede palang pumili din if you want cake or ice cream. So, I got ice cream and si Tony got cake. And for the drinks, I got lemon iced tea. Si Tony got cappuccino. And our cake, my ice cream, ang saya pa kasi Häagen-Dazs and Biscoff yung ice cream. Napakasaya. Thank you. Free to sa Tomorrow Hotel. And you can book your hotel in Klook and use our promo code Chab Explorers Klook to get a discount on your booking.
A few moments later.
We just checked out from our hotel and we will book an Uber to get to Taipei main station. So from there, we're gonna take the Airport Express. Doon na rin kami bibili ng ticket. Pwede naman mag-train din here from Ximending, pero mahaba kasi yung lakad from Ximending to the airport terminal. So, well, first time namin gagawin to, mag-try kami na mag-Uber. Kasi parang may nakita ko na may station na direct yung airport line. So,
para less lakad na din. Kasi last time that we were here, ang lahat talaga nung nalakad namin. Meron pang partner yung ramp. So, kung mabigat yung luggage mo, itutulak mo siya.
yes. So, yan, balitaan namin kayo. Although, ano naman, magaan lang naman yung luggage namin. Hindi nga kami umabot ng 20 kilos. We only have one check-in bag. This is our nice Uber. It's a Luxgen, looks like a Tesla. And now we're here. So if we're not mistaken, we skipped the long walk talaga. So tingnan natin kung tama to. And pwede nyo rin tong gawin. So mabilis lang siya. So our Uber only cost 85 NTD coming from Tomorrow Hotel. Ang saya, mahabang linya na talaga yung na-skip na. So we will purchase our ticket here. Oo, one. Ay, fail. Kasi ayaw tanggapin yung isa na lang yung banknote namin, 500 NTD. Ayaw niya tanggapin. So, It's either bibili kami sa Family Mart para magpabarya or sa ticket counter na lang kami. Okay, hanapin lang namin. For 2. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Yay! Yeah. So we got the
Single journey.
Token. So the coin, you tap here and then you enter. So hindi ka napipili kung express or commuter. So this is the Violet train na. But it's kind of full already. So we want to wait for the next train. Anyway, super aga pa namin.
2 AM pa yung flight namin.
Yep. So chill lang. This is ano na to. Sobrang chill na travel nito. So since madaling araw din yung flight namin going home, ang ginawa namin is we booked the hotel up until tomorrow. So at least, fresh kami. Pupunta ng airport, hindi kami pagod kahit madaling araw yung flight. And bumalik kami ng hotel around 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
So nakapag-nap pa kami.
Hindi ka nap. It's a must.
Ang saya lang kasi chill ka lang. Tapos, hindi ka nagmamadali. And yung trains, 11 p.m. yung last niya na biyahe. Tapos yun, we decided to take an Uber going to the station rather than take the MRT sa Ximen station kasi mahaba yung lakarin from pagbaba ng Ximen station going to this airport express.
Although isang station away lang siya, lalakad ka ng mga 10 to 15 minutes depende kung gaano kabigat yung mga luggages mo.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Isang pinaka matinding hack na nalalaman namin na ayun lang namin ginawa.
Na-discover namin meron pala talagang direct na pagbaba mo ng Uber or ng taxi mo, yun na yung airport express station. So, and actually naisip namin pag kunyari pumunta ulit kami dito sa Taiwan, instead of going to the MRT, dito na rin kami kukuha ng Uber. Imagine lang, flag down rate lang 85 NTD going to Ximending. So and gusto naman namin sa Ximending ulit mag-hotel next time. And we are now at the airport going to the tax refund kiosk so that we can get our tax refund. Ito na siya sa kaliwa. Okay. So you start here at the kiosk. And so Tony is gonna get her tax refund. So remember the paper na sinabi namin sa inyo na you should get from the store. Ayan siya. So you can choose na ibalik sa credit card nyo yung tax refund if you used your credit card. But that would take 7 to 10 days. So there's also an option for cash. Once you click that option, may lalabas siya na parang receipt and then you have to go to the bank on that side to collect your money. So, gawin na natin. Let's go. So, nandito lang din siya malapit. So, kailangan nyo muna talaga makuha yung details. No? So, hindi na dyan. You have to get it from the Bank of Taiwan, which is there, straight ahead pa. Yun yung pupuntahan namin ngayon. Ayan. So, after dun sa red machine, dito na pupunta. Sinasabi naman nila eh. So, this is where you can get the tax refund, hindi na dun sa counter beside the kiosks if you're refunding after 9:20 p.m. So they are open from 9:20 to 5 a.m. But it's before that, pwede dun sa kabilang counter. Yay! We have tax refund. Done na with immigration and we're going to the boarding gate. PSA. Dito sa Taiwan, they check your hand carry along with your personal bag. So, make sure di siya lalampas ng 7 kilos. So, yan. Usually, they don't weigh kasama ng handbag eh. Pero dito, pinapa-weigh pati handbag. Okay.
Correct.
Now you know. Hype lang kaming kakainan. You can use your Easy Card at the vending machine at the airport. Ang problema, madami ng sarado. And it's cold. We're hungry. So we opted to get this kasi mukha siyang pagkain. Mixed congee, but it's cold. So Tony got this bean pudding thing and mocha drink. And we got these crackers from Sapporo Drugstore. Go, let's try congee thing. So,
And look, there's the spoon.
okay, may spoon siya. Open it.
Natin kung sarap. I think it's red bean. So sa Pilipinas sa tayo.
Oy, astig. Ayan, may spoon siyang kasama. Okay. Man natin.
Uy, parang masarap.
Good siya. Okay, let's try it. Para siyang...
Diba?
Ang sarap niya. So, ganito siya. Para siyang... minatamis or...
Minatamis na munggo.
Oo, parang minatamis na munggo na malamig. In fairness, it's good. Maybe I'll buy one. Nice. It's actually nice.
Buti na lang may ganyan sila. Ano kaya yung white peanut na yun? Oo naman yun.
So, tip lang. Kung late night din yung flight nyo, kain na kayo sa labas. Or, when you get to the airport, punta na kayong convenience store, kumain na kayo. Siyempre, hindi nyo pwedeng ipasok yung food sa immigration after nyo mag-check-in. So, you have to finish it there. Kasi pagkapasok nyo dito sa after immigration, walang kainan. Puro vendo na lang. For late night flights.
Ang sarap.
But this is good. This red bean thing. It's good. And then ito lang yung snack namin. From Sapporo Drugstore. Red bean congee is for 40 NTD. Isip ko mag-uwi. Sasalubong ko kay Mami. Shout out to Mommy! That concludes our very short Taipei trip. Anong favorite mo?
Siyempre yung food. Wala naman tayong ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain. So, yes, last minute, kami nag-stinky tofu. And actually, nung dinner namin, before nung flight, bumaba ako sa hotel. Tapos, pumunta ako ng food area doon sa Ximending. So, bumili ako ng Taiwanese sausage with rice, stinky tofu, and fried milk donut. So, ang sarap nung dinner namin before ng flight na to. Meron lang akong gustong kainin na hindi namin nakain, which is yung beef noodle soup. Pero, ayan ang reason para bumalik ulit ng Taiwan!
Yes. So, di na namin na-vlog yung part nung kumain kami ng stinky tofu tsaka ng milky donut. And ang haba ng pila niya ha. Nung napadaan kami, bibili kasi dapat talaga kami before bumalik ng hotel. Pero ang haba ng pila. Buti pagbaba ni Chub Tony nung after niya mag-nap, okay na yung pila. So,
hindi na ganun kahaba. So, pumila ako. And then yung Malahat Pot, winner talaga. It's our second time na kumain sa Malahat Pot. And super, super sarap pa din niya. So, medyo pricey on the pricier side siya, pero sulit.
We hope you had fun watching this video because we had a blast eating our way through it. So, nakita nyo din naman kanina, going here, nag-Airport Express kami. Naghanap ako sa Klook kung meron siyang Airport Express. Ang meron lang is either two-way or round trip. So, coming from pagdating nyo ng Taiwan, papuntang Taipei Main Station and then pabalik. Or, coming from the airport going to Taipei Main Station lang. So, wala siyang from Taipei Main Station papuntang airport. Kaya, bumili na lang din kami ng single journey ticket. But you can book yours through Klook if you want the round trip na Airport Express or going one way, going to Taipei Main Station. And you can use our promo code
Job Explorers Klook
to get a discount on your booking.
Don't forget to subscribe to our social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Yep.
And don't forget to comment, like, and
Subscribe!
Hanggang sa susunod na gala!
Paalam!
Dun-dun-dun-dun!